Well, Helena, or whatever it's called, got me. I think I know why my power's out now, though. Came out to, I was going to go check on Uncle Bob, because my power went out. And I got my generator and everything going. Here's the power line. Right? Probably not real safe. Here's the other one. Look at that guy. Uprooted. Big oak. So now I'm blocked. I can't get out. If it ever quits raining, we got one little finger left, and it just seems to be coming right over my area. I think I can cut this one out, actually. But the problem is, if I do that, I'm afraid it's going to take out the other services. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I can get out, maybe, if I go through the hills. But I guess this is a good thing. Maybe I need to devise another way to get out of here. Like a shorter cut. By putting in a drain. Another culvert. Yeah, that line is proper screwed. We went from the drought to flooding. That's cute. Water in the creek. There's a place yonder I could put a culvert in. I guess I need to put the backhoe on the tractor and get that going, because I do need to have another way out of here. Of course, now that I think about that, it's not going to help much, because I got to cross the creek twice. So if it's flooding, I'm still kind of screwed. Anyway, I'm going to get out of the rain, and we got one little finger left on this hurricane going through. And it looks like the whole thing's going to be going above me. We gotta go up and check the pigs.